Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Russell Agtalaw and I'm a Bachelor of Arts in English Language here at Pangasinan State University, Lingayen Campus. Here at PSU, we have a high quality education that you need. Actually, my first and favorite course is the Bachelor Arts in English Language because I want to be a journalist or maybe a mass communicator someday. In our program, we have 3 major subjects and 4 minor subjects. So guys, let's take a campus tour to have an insight inside the campus. So guys, we are in the library. Since it is closed, we can't go inside. So let's take a picture. Here at the library, this is where students come to study and to gain new knowledge. We are here in AVR or audiovisual room, and this is the administration building. So guys, we are going to the PSU Student Center. So guys, we are here in the Student Center. After the PSU Student Center, next is the Biolab or Biology Laboratory, and this building is the place when the students are researching and experimenting. Come on, let's take a tour in this building. Let's go upstairs and look the view of the PSU. We are here in the medical and dental clinic. So, we are going to the covered court. There's an event. And there's a lot of building here in PSU. On the other hand, core subjects in our program are preparing us for becoming a linguist someday. And thank you for our honorable proctor, like Dr. Julius Season and Dr. Regina Santos, for supporting us to have a bright future in this program. This is the convention hall and this is the Abel faculty. This is the Natural Science building. Natural science is an interdisciplinary field focused on understanding the natural world through a blend of biology, chemistry, physics, and earth sciences. My dream job is to become a mass communicator like my tito, and being a PC Union helps me to become a more fluent and more confident speaker in the English language. So come on guys, let's build our future here at PSU Lingayen Campus. See you at the campus! Guys, hope you enjoy our campus tour. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Goodbye!